Let's draw the sun. First, draw a circle. Yellow. Now draw its mouth so it can smile. Red. Way to go! Now draw the rays. Yellow. Excellent! And now, let's count. 1. One sun. Now write the number 1 and the sun will come alive. Red. One. One sun. You can write the number 1 more time, and the sun will come to life again. Or you can press an arrow and draw something else. One. Let's draw a hopping frog. First, draw its eyes. Brown. Now draw its head, a big oval. Green. Great job! Now draw a big mouth. Red. Draw an oval body. Yellow. Green. Draw hind legs. Black. And now the front legs. Blue. Excellent! Let's count frogs. 1, 2. 2 frogs. Write the number 2 and the frogs will hop. Red. Two. frogs. Do you want the frogs to hop more? Write number 2 again. Or press the arrow to draw something else.